paano niyo masyado information na siya?
And even the state is going to shoulder the next year.
Oh, magpagod ha? Bakit siya? Okay, whatever it is from the Lord.
Yeah, that's right. Tama
The
yan.
apostles, so I understand.
Okay. Dear Elder Earl John Ryan Michael Hernandez, we have been informed by the Missionary Department that you have been scheduled to report to the Philippines Missionary Training Center June 30 to July 19, 2007. We ask you to arrive at the MTC between 7 to 10 a.m. when you will begin your missionary processing and training. Your mission, district, or state president will make your travel arrangements. Be sure that those travel arrangements ensure that you can arrive at the MTC no later than 10 a.m. It's said here to serve Philippines Naga Mission. Philippines Naga Mission.
Naga?
Dito yung mission call pala from the President. Ay, nag-predict talaga yan ba ng Philippines Naga Mission? Sino ba? Elder. Dear Elder Hernandez, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Philippines Naga Mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 24 months. You should report to the Missionary Training Center in Manila, Philippines on Saturday, 30 June 2007. You will prepare to preach the gospel in the Tagalog language. Your mission president may modify your specific assignment according to the needs of the mission. You have been recommended as one worthy to represent the Lord as a minister of the restored gospel. You will be an official representative of the church. As such, you will be expected to maintain the highest standards of conduct and appearance by keeping the commandments, living mission rules, and following the counsel of your mission president. You will also be expected to devote all your time and attention to serving the Lord, leaving behind all other personal affairs. As you do these things, the Lord will bless you and you will become an effective advocate and messenger of the truth. We place in you our confidence and faith that the Lord will help you meet your responsibilities in fulfilling this sacred assignment. The Lord will reward you for the goodness of your life. Greater blessings and more happiness than you have yet experienced await you as you humbly and prayerfully serve the Lord in this labor of love among His children. You will be set apart as a missionary by your state president. Please send your written acceptance promptly endorsed by your bishop. Sincerely, Gordon B. Hinckley, President.
Kasabay mo si John Curti, kasabay mo si Sister Gigi Mariso.
Oo, tama.
Ate Gigi.
Ganon. So, bali sa state natin, dalawa sila.
Dalawa.
Sa June 30.
Actually silang, di ba sila kaalis eh.
Sino?
May aalis sa ngayong 19, may 19, dalawa.
Dito sa...
State natin, eh. Tapos may isa aalis June 19. Tapos sa tatlo na, may dalawang aalis June 30.
June 30. Tama-tama sa June 30.
Baka si Newell, makahabol yung si Newell na June 30.
Newell.
Newell.
Si Newell. Nag-apply din siya.
Doon na yung papers niya. Nagka-problema ng copy-editing na kasi merong information doon na na-escape niya. Kaya nauna yung kay AJ ng padala na warning sa kanya for parang days lang. Siguro mga next week na dito niya.
Ilan kayo missionary sa state niya? 5?
Kanina.